These are the girls, some of the ladies that work today. All right.
This is what Erica does. She gets the girls work. Yeah. Movies. That's what she does. It's not a game. It's behind the scenes, a movie after hours.
Directed by Coach K.
Yeah, boy. Exactly. Exactly. That's how we do. We still got Mark on the set.
I'm still here, man. We're chilling. We're gonna go party after this.
Exactly. On the boat.
We're gonna go rip it up.
All right, we're gonna go party. You know, that's how we do.
You know, that's what we do. Yeah, give me that, man. Let me get you something.
Exactly. See, I ain't in none of my behind the scenes footage.
All right, here we go. Yeah.
Here with
Margaret, right?
and
Erica.
and
Julie.
and and
Yeah.
behind the scenes.
Hell yeah.
After hours of the movie.
That's what's up.
Yeah, we doing it big. You know, we just wrapped up the scene with Dimitri.
Hey, Dimitri.
He brought the girl.
Uh-huh.
You know, and we about to get with them, but they're about to get going. So they ain't really about to get going.
It was nice being with y'all.
Exactly. So, you know, we about to wrap this scene up and keep it going. We're about to get on, off the hook. Get on, off the hook.
That's right. That's right.
You know what I mean? Make these things happen. All right, Coach K, behind the scenes, after hours movie. Check it out, though. Crazy.